0 o'clock. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're ready to take charge of 2024 and turn your dreams into reality, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into how to create a powerful vision board that will keep you motivated and focused all year long. Creating a vision board is like inviting your dreams to a party. Just as we tidy our homes to spark joy, we create vision boards to spark inspiration and ignite action. So grab your favorite beverage, let's gather our creative energy and get ready to design a year filled with purpose and joy. First, let's talk about why vision boards are so important. A vision board is more than just a collage. It's a visualization tool that helps you clarify your goals, focus on your dreams, and stay inspired throughout the year. Think of it as a visual love letter to your future self. When you create a vision board and take the time to carefully select images and words that resonate with your soul, you're sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind. You're essentially saying, "This is what I want. This is what brings me joy. This is what I'm working towards." Research shows that visualization can significantly enhance your chances of success. When you visualize your goals as already achieved, you activate the brain's creative problem-solving mechanisms. It's like giving your mind a sneak peek of the finish line, which fuels your motivation and helps you stay committed to your aspirations. But the power of a vision board goes beyond simply setting goals. It's about cultivating a deep sense of connection with your aspirations. Each time you gaze upon your board, allow yourself to truly feel the emotions associated with achieving those dreams. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, the joy, as if they are already yours. Our first step is to dedicate some time to self-reflection. Find a quiet space, perhaps with a cup of herbal tea and your favorite journal. Now think about what you truly want to achieve in 2024. What are the goals, dreams, and experiences that make your heart sing? Don't hold back. Allow yourself to dream big and embrace the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Start by dividing your journal page into different categories that represent various areas of your life. You might have sections for career, personal growth, health, relationships, finances, creativity, travel, and of course, fun. Under each category, jot down your goals for the year. Be as specific as possible. Instead of simply saying get healthy, write down, exercise 3 times a week, eat more vegetables, and feel energized every day. The more specific you are, the clearer your vision becomes. Imagine yourself living your ideal life in 2024. What does it look, feel, and sound like? Who are you surrounded by? What brings you the most joy? As you write, let your pen flow freely and don't overthink it. This is a judgment-free zone. Embrace the process of self-discovery and allow your authentic desires to emerge. Now that we've taken the time to reflect on our goals and aspirations, it's time to gather the tools that will help us bring our vision board to life. This is where the fun begins. First, you'll need a board or a poster to serve as the canvas for your dreams. I personally adore using a corkboard because it allows for easy updates and changes throughout the year. It's like a living, breathing representation of your evolving journey. Next, we need images and words that will visually represent our goals. Magazines are a fantastic resource for finding inspiring imagery. Flip through the pages and cut out any pictures or quotes that resonate with your aspirations. Don't overthink it. Just let your intuition guide you. If you're more digitally inclined, you can also print out images from the internet or even incorporate your own artwork or photographs. The key is to choose visuals that spark joy and excitement within you. Of course, we'll need scissors, glue, and maybe some pins to assemble our masterpiece. And don't forget markers or stickers for adding personalized touches and affirmations. A touch of color and personalization can make your vision board even more vibrant and meaningful. And now comes the most exciting part, bringing your vision board to life. Find a clean and spacious surface, put on some uplifting music, and let's get creative. Begin by dividing your board into sections that correspond to the categories you identified in your journal: career, relationships, health, and so on. This will help you create a sense of organization and flow. Next, take a look at the images and words you've gathered. Hold each one in your hands and pay attention to how it makes you feel. Does it spark joy? Does it ignite a sense of purpose? If so, it belongs on your board. Arrange the items on your board in a way that is visually appealing and inspiring to you. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about what feels right for you. Some people prefer a more structured and symmetrical layout, while others embrace a more free-flowing and intuitive approach. Once you're happy with the arrangement, glue or pin the items in place. As you do so, visualize yourself achieving those goals and feel the emotions associated with them. Remember, this board is a reflection of your dreams, so let your personality and creativity shine through. Don't be afraid to add personal touches, such as handwritten affirmations, meaningful quotes, or even small trinkets that hold special significance. Now that we've covered the essential steps, let's talk about a few things to avoid when creating your vision board. Remember, our goal is to create a space of joy, inspiration, and clarity, so it's essential to be mindful of the energy we bring to the process. First and foremost, avoid clutter. While it can be tempting to fill every inch of our board with images and words, too much visual stimulation can have the opposite effect. Instead of inspiring us, it can leave us feeling overwhelmed and scattered. Remember, just like in our homes, a sense of spaciousness and clarity allows our dreams to breathe and flourish. Next, be wary of generic goals. Instead of using vague phrases like be happy or make more money, strive for specificity. For example, instead of travel more, choose a specific destination that sets your soul on fire and include images that represent that dream. The more detailed and specific your vision, the more effectively you can manifest it into reality. Most importantly, steer clear of negativity. Our vision board should be a sanctuary of positivity and inspiration, so avoid including anything that brings up stress, doubt, or fear. If a particular image or word doesn't spark joy or evoke a sense of excitement, it's best to leave it out. By approaching the process with intention and mindfulness, we create a powerful tool that can help us manifest our dreams and live a more joyful and fulfilling life. Congratulations on creating your beautiful vision board. Now that you've poured your heart and soul into this visual representation of your dreams, it's time to activate its magic through the power of manifestation. The first step is to find the perfect spot for your vision board, a place where you'll see it every single day. It could be on your desk, in your bedroom, on your bathroom mirror, or even on the inside of your wardrobe door. The key is to choose a location where it will catch your eye and remind you of your aspirations throughout the day. Once you've found the perfect spot, spend a few minutes each day actively engaging with your vision board. Gaze at the images, read the affirmations, and allow yourself to truly feel the emotions associated with achieving those goals. Imagine yourself living that dream life as if it's already a reality. As you visualize, feel the excitement bubbling up inside you. Feel the gratitude for all the good that's coming your way. And most importantly, feel the unwavering belief that you are worthy and capable of achieving everything you set your mind to. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps and take consistent action towards making them a reality. As you take action, trust that the universe is conspiring to support you every step of the way. Before we wrap up, I have a special bonus tip that will amplify the power of your vision board and keep your dreams top of mind throughout the day. Are you ready for it? Take a picture of your completed vision board and set it as the wallpaper on your phone or computer. That's right. Now, every time you glance at your device, you'll be greeted by a visual reminder of your aspirations. Imagine this. You're scrolling through social media, and suddenly your vision board pops up, reminding you of your travel goals, your dream career, or that healthy lifestyle you're cultivating. It's like a gentle nudge from the universe, encouraging you to stay focused and aligned with your true purpose. This simple act of carrying your vision board with you digitally can have a profound impact on your subconscious mind. It reinforces your commitment to your goals and keeps your dreams at the forefront of your awareness. So, go ahead and snap a picture of your masterpiece. Let it serve as a constant source of inspiration and motivation as you navigate the ups and downs of daily life. And there you have it, your personalized vision board for 2024. Remember, this isn't just about creating something pretty. It's about designing a life you love and taking steps to make it happen. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments what goals you're putting on your vision board this year. By creating a vision board and actively engaging with it, you've already taken a powerful step towards creating a life that sparks joy and fulfills your soul's purpose. Here's to a year full of dreams coming true. Until next time, happy manifesting.